I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public onsen. First, upon arrival, you'll head to the changing room. Here, you must remove all your clothes and store them in a locker. Next, proceed to the washing area. It's crucial to thoroughly cleanse your entire body with soap and water. Remember to rinse off every bit of soap before you even think about stepping into the relaxing hot spring. This ensures cleanliness for everyone. Once you are clean, slowly and carefully enter the onsen water. Allow your body a moment to adjust to the warmth. It's important to maintain a peaceful atmosphere, so please avoid splashing or making loud noises. Keep your small modesty towel out of the main bath water. You can place it on your head. For your safety, limit your soaking time to about 15 to 20 minutes to prevent overheating or dizziness. When you're ready to leave the bath, exit slowly and carefully. Use your small towel to lightly dry off excess water before stepping back into the changing room. Once there, you can use a larger towel to dry yourself completely. It's a good idea to rehydrate by drinking some water or a refreshing beverage. Finally, put on your comfortable clothes and you're all set to depart the onsen facility feeling refreshed. Always take a moment to check for any specific rules posted at the onsen you are visiting, as they can vary slightly. If you have tattoos, it's wise to inquire beforehand as some facilities have restrictions. Remember, an onsen is for quiet relaxation, not for swimming or diving. Above all, always respect the peaceful atmosphere and the privacy of your fellow bathers. Enjoy your authentic onsen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.